2026 isn't about louder technology, it's about smarter technology. The devices gaining real traction this year aren't gimmicks or speculative concepts. They're practical tools solving everyday friction, at work, at home, in health, and even in how we manage attention. And that shift matters. Today we're breaking down 10 gadgets dominating 2026, not based on hype cycles, but on real-world integration. Some of these are obvious upgrades. Others quietly change how daily life operates. Let's start with the machine-redefining portable performance. MacBook Pro with M5. The Apple MacBook Pro powered by the M5 chip represents a structural upgrade, not just incremental speed. At its core, 24GB unified memory, 1TB SSD storage, enhanced neural architecture, 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. The neural architecture is where the difference becomes noticeable. AI-assisted workflows, such as transcription, image enhancement, and predictive text generation, now process locally at significantly higher speeds. That reduces latency and increases privacy. For professionals handling video editing, 3D rendering, complex spreadsheets, or layered design files, the system maintains stability under sustained load. Thermal management is improved. Fan noise remains minimal under heavy tasks. Battery endurance stretches across demanding work sessions. But this isn't a universal recommendation. If computing needs center around browsing, streaming, and light office work, this is excess capability. The real question is simple. Is your workload pushing your current machine to its limits? If yes, this is a meaningful step forward. If not, it may be unnecessary power. Samsung Galaxy XR. The Samsung Galaxy XR marks a pivot in how spatial computing is being positioned. This is not framed purely as a gaming headset. Powered by Android XR and the Snapdragon XR 2 Plus Gen 2 chip, it delivers 4K resolution per eye, advanced hand tracking, voice interaction via Gemini AI, balanced ergonomic design. Where it becomes compelling is productivity. A floating multi-screen workspace can replace physical monitors. Google Photos converts into immersive memory environments. Streaming sports scales to life-sized presence. The quick-swap battery design reduces downtime. The rear dial redistributes weight to reduce neck strain. Still, adoption depends on behavior change. Would you feel comfortable wearing this for a 2-hour work session? Or does it remain primarily an immersive entertainment device? That answer determines whether it becomes transformative or occasional. Oura Ring 4. Health wearables are becoming less visible and more intelligent. The Oura Ring 4 weighs approximately 3.3 grams and is crafted from seamless titanium. Inside that minimal frame, continuous heart rate tracking, respiratory monitoring, HRV measurement, stress pattern detection, sleep stage analysis. Battery life reaches up to 8 days, but hardware isn't the headline. Interpretation is. Instead of overwhelming dashboards, the system delivers a daily readiness score supported by contextual explanation. If sleep quality dips, it identifies likely contributors. If recovery improves, it reflects measurable trend shifts. For adults balancing demanding schedules, sleep is performance currency. The subtle design allows continuous wear without disruption. The important consideration: would passive, invisible tracking increase consistency compared to a traditional smartwatch? Plaud Note Pro. Meetings are essential, but mentally consuming. The Plaud Note Pro elevates conversation capture and documentation beyond simple dictation. This isn't just a recorder, it's a productivity partner. Key capabilities: ultra-fast, real-time transcription, detailed summaries with action items, color-coded speaker distinction, searchable transcript archive, instant view, display for quick reference. With support for professional settings and multi-participant environments, this device turns spoken discussions into structured insight outputs, executive briefs, task lists, and searchable archives without distraction. For lawyers, executives, entrepreneurs, team leads, or anyone managing complex interactions, that changes the mental load of meetings dramatically. But think about context. How often do valuable ideas get lost simply because notes were incomplete? If that happens more than occasionally, this device solves a real friction point. Roborock Saros 20. Home automation is finally addressing long-standing frustrations. The Roborock Saros 20 introduces the AdaptiLift Chassis 3.0 system, allowing vertical adjustment across thick rugs and elevated transitions. Its RGB camera, paired with the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, identifies debris type before acting. Dry particles increase suction intensity. Liquid spills trigger mop deployment. Mapping speed has improved. Obstacle recognition accuracy is refined. The rock dock handles, hot water mop cleaning, debris disposal, anti-tangle brush management. This reduces manual intervention significantly. Still, large cluttered spaces may require occasional prep. Would automated cleaning free meaningful time weekly, or is manual control preferred? GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black expands creative flexibility. HB series lenses auto-detect and optimize settings upon attachment. Burst slow motion reaches 400 frames per second. Wi-Fi 6 improves file transfer speeds. The 1900 mAh Enduro battery performs reliably in extreme climates. Magnetic mounting reduces setup friction in dynamic environments. For travel, outdoor sports, or hobby filmmaking, durability and modularity matter. However, casual users relying exclusively on smartphone cameras may find redundancy. Does your current camera limit creativity or already meet expectations? Apple Watch Ultra 3. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another iteration. It's engineered for performance in real-world, active lifestyles. This model elevates what a smartwatch can actually do for you. Advanced multi-sport modes. Optimized tracking for running, cycling, swimming, and trail adventures. Precision dual-frequency GPS. Drastically improved location accuracy in dense environments. Ruggedized titanium body, built to withstand drops, dust, and extreme conditions. Depth gauge and water resistance, ready for freediving and open water activities. Large, brighter always-on display, easier to read in direct sunlight. Battery life extends well beyond typical smartwatches, supporting longer excursions without anxiety over charging. Health sensors remain sophisticated, with heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and workout metrics integrated deeply with wellness apps. It's not just about tracking, it's about confidence during activity, whether you're hiking steep terrain or timing a swim set. The real consideration here isn't just health data, it's the context in which that data becomes useful. Would a more rugged outdoors-first device feel like a meaningful upgrade over a standard smartwatch? For many active adults, the answer often tilts toward yes. Antigravity A1. The Antigravity A1 captures full 8K spherical footage. Weighing 249 grams, it remains within lighter regulatory thresholds. Key advancements: 360-degree obstacle avoidance, invisible drone body stitching, micro OLED vision goggles, intuitive hand-based navigation. Angles are selected post-flight, reducing framing pressure during operation. For travel documentation and outdoor creators, flexibility increases significantly. Still, frequency of use determines value. Would it enhance experiences or remain stored most of the year? Shokz OpenFit Pro. The Shokz OpenFit Pro focuses on awareness. Open-ear architecture rests outside the canal. Dual diaphragm drivers enhance depth and clarity. Active noise reduction adapts dynamically. Multi-point pairing supports dual device switching. Total battery life reaches 50 hours. For urban walkers, commuters, and office environments, environmental awareness increases safety. The trade-off remains partial immersion. Would awareness outweigh isolation in daily routines? Clix Communicator. The Clix Communicator addresses digital distraction directly. Features include 4.03-inch AMOLED display, physical QWERTY keyboard, touch-sensitive key scrolling, 4,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, dedicated message hub. The philosophy prioritizes communication over algorithmic feeds. For professionals feeling screen fatigue, tactile typing reintroduces intentional use. But adaptation requires a mindset shift. Could reducing visual overload improve focus long term? The dominant pattern in 2026 is clear. Technology is becoming more intentional, more integrated, more health-aware, more productivity-focused, less novelty-driven. The MacBook Pro M5 redefines portable power. Oura Ring 4 redefines invisible health tracking. Roborock Saros 20 refines home automation. Clicks communicator challenges digital addiction. Each solves a different friction point. Now the important part, which of these actually fits your life? Not just your curiosity. Share your thoughts below. And if you appreciate calm, detailed tech breakdowns without exaggerated hype, consider subscribing. Drop a comment. I read every single one.